Hello everybody, how are you today? Well, I just got back from one of my doctor's appointments and I go again tomorrow. I'm still feeling a little under the weather. I'm gonna make some soup after this. I wasn't planning to make this today. I wanted to make something else, but this is quick and easy and I have not made this in a very, very long time. This is a super easy pretzel strawberry dessert. So I'm gonna pan you down and we're gonna get started. You only need pretzels, a white cake mix, a little bit of butter, and strawberry pie filling, and a whipped cream cheese, and that's it. So I'm gonna bring you down. Here we go. Let's see, can you see me right there? I'm looking at an odd angle. Move my carrots and my vegetables out of the way here. Multitasking to help me out in the long run. Okay, what we're gonna do is you can take straight pretzels. These are the ones I have on hand. I'm gonna move you up just a little bit. I have a hard time seeing what I'm doing here. I think that's it right there. Well, let me see, got my carrots over here, got my vegetables going. Okay. I'm using these pretzels here. And you want to just kind of fill the bottom. Ooh, I'm gonna have some more left for a snack. Just like that. And you just kind of want to push them down a little. Then you want to take your strawberry pie filling of your choice. This is a strawberry pie or topper. No Maggie Moo. No, no. No, no, you can't have this. Maggie thinks she's gonna have a treat. Oh. Smell that strawberry. No, Maggie, I'm sorry. Just like this. Now, I saw somebody do this and I thought it was the neatest trick. I'm gonna show you here in just a second. No, Mag. Oops. Make sure we get all the goodness out here. The price of everything going up, boy, I couldn't believe it when I went to the store today, coming back from the doctor's, how the prices have gone up. But then I stopped at a very small grocery store too, and that does make a difference. Okay, what this person did, if you didn't want to dirty another dish, you just take the lid and you just kind of go like this and spread it with this, which makes a lot of sense to me, but I'm gonna do it the old way. I guess my habits are hard to break. So I'm gonna take it, spread that strawberry. Now you can double this recipe. I'm just doing half the recipe. This one can, you can double it up. And then what you wanna do, you wanna take your whipped cream cheese. You don't wanna take regular cream cheese. You want a whipped cream cheese. You wanna put that right on like this. You wait, Maggie, Mom will be there in a minute. Maggie wants me to hold her. She doesn't like it when she's not with me 24/7. Okay. Got a little drip here. Clean up as we go. It makes life a lot easier for everybody. Okay. What I will do is take this. Put it down like this. Not so easy coming off. And you just kind of spread this cream cheese out and around. Probably could have taken it out of the refrigerator. This was 12 ounces. You need about 6 ounces for an 8 by 8. Take that. Just want to spread it really good. All in one spot here. Spread the love. just like this. This is probably not going to be too friendly for Mr. R, but we'll just give him a little sliver. And then what you want to do is you want to take your cake mix. You don't want to put it all in, you just want to coat it. You want to coat it just like this. Put it all the way around. Just like this. Maybe use about a half, maybe. I used about a half on an 8x8. To jar that up after I'm done. And then, let me just get a spoon here. Just spread this. Just like this. This will be a quick, easy dessert. And if you don't have a whole lot of time, this is something great to make. Then you want to put about 4 tablespoons of butter. You can melt it or just daub it on. And I'm just daubing it on. Just trying to save some extra steps. Just like this. And this is about 4 tablespoons to an 8x8 baking dish. Here in Maine, it's only 6 degrees. It's kind of cold, and it is so windy. It's well below 0 with the wind chill factor today. There, just like that. Then we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back when we're all done. And I'll take a little test for you. Okay, everybody, I'm back. And here it is right here. Doesn't it look great? Look at this. Look at that. Yum! So I took a little piece out. I'm still not feeling very well, but here's a little piece. Look. Look at all that goodness right there. So we're gonna try it. Got a little bit of the pretzel, the strawberry. Very good. The sweet, the salty. Oh, so good. Shouldn't talk with my mouth full. My grandmother would give me the dickens for that. So if you like this video, please hit that bell. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.